outside performing burial every day. And they expect us to silence. Now, it's an order. Nigerian government came out openly and denied there is no massacre, there is no genocide of Christians in Nigeria. And look at it today.
No government.
Is there any Muslim here?
No.
United Nations, I know you're watching it.
Sure.
American Senate, you are watching what I'm doing, I'm saying here. Special advisor to Trump. Now, please tell Trump to save our life in Nigeria. They are killing Christians in Nigeria, massacre Christians. If they say they kill Muslims, Muslims are being killed. By who? By Muslims.
Please give me your listening ears. Very, very important. Just waking up to the news of the United States government making a very bold statement that they are going to put boots on the soils of the Nigerian nation in defense of the Christian faith. The news gladdens my heart because as an adult in Nigeria, being born in Nigeria and growing up in Nigeria, there are things that nobody can actually confuse me about, and that is very, very good with me. I was born a Christian because I was baptized and dedicated to the Christian faith. That is St. Thomas Anglican Church, Omuagumbiri. There I was baptized Stanley. But growing up to my adulthood, I realized that as an Igbo person, we have a way of life. We have a practicing way of life, that how to pray and everything. So, but my heart, my essence, my soul still remains with the Christian faith, and in as much as we are trying to restore our own, which is somehow still in that consciousness of Christianity. Love your neighbor. You understand? But I know that the other religion, Islam, is not like that. It's not like that. Yeah. So I am very, very happy that this is coming out now, that this is happening now in our time, that Christians will be defended. I'm seriously thanking the United States government for this bold statement, for this decision that they have made to come in defense of the helpless people, the persecuted, and also hit hard on the genocides. You don't have to totally agree with the United States government, but what is happening is so precise, so on point, and must be encouraged by every person. So I am using this video to thank every good person in the world, people who are rising up to defend Christianity. You know, look at what going back to what is happening also in Igbo. You know, we have seen the carnage. They say they target farmer headers war, which we all know that is a lie. Is a lie. There is nothing like farmer headers war. What we have is a religious war. People invade the village simply because those villages does not practice their religion, and those villages they invade are Christian villages. Me and you knows that there is no time in this modern history that Christians go to a village to massacre people because they are practicing Islam. Nobody, it's not done. But my utmost worries are the Yoruba Muslims. It's the Yoruba Muslim seems to be so happy about the evil that is being committed against Christians, against other people, against other ethnicities, simply because what? Their brother is the president. Simply because they have their brother as the president of the country. This is totally wrong. This is, you cannot, if an Igbo man is president and he's committing evil, I will be the number one person that will rise up and condemn such a person, because I'm a human first. Humanity must come first before any affiliation, before being a Christian, before being an Igbo person, before being this or that. Humanity. This person is a human being. He has love. People love him. He has family. So for that reason, I must have compassion. I must be compassionate about that person. I must cherish and I must value his life, because I value my own life. I the joy in the heart of my mother whenever she sees me come home. The joy of my family, of my friends, of my relatives, of every person. The joy of my lovers whenever I come home to them is immeasurable. It's immeasurable. So for that reason, I'm a human first, and I value someone because I know that whoever that goes out from his house has loved one. They provide, and they are being provided for. So these are what should make you value another human as yourself. So I must use this time around to thank every lovers of freedom out there in the whole world, every person who has made it possible for the voice of the Christian people to be heard in the White House, and for whatever spirit that has made President Donald J. Trump to have compassion on the life of the Christian people in Nigeria and also in the rest of the world, for him to stand up to say, I must defend these people. This is a long time. It has been a long time coming. We have expected this. My people has been on the streets with placards demanding for justice for people, for the persecuted people. We have seen how the instrument of the state has been used against the citizens, and these whole things are worrisome. So thank you, the United States of American government, for sticking out your neck for the persecuted people. Thank you, and I say may God bless you. Go in there and do the needful to save Christian lives and every other persecuted people. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka, and I just want to use this video to thank the world. Thank you.